If you're shadow banned and only getting a few hundred views per post, then don't skip this video. If you were getting tons of views and followers before the new algorithm update, but are struggling to get views now, then this video is for you. Now, TikTok's made a major adjustment on what's being shown on your For You page and just how to get there. But if you don't correct this first step, you virtually have no chance of ever going viral again on TikTok. So this first thing that I want you to do is SEO audit yourself. I want you to go back and look at your previous 25 videos for two things. The first thing I want you to check is how many videos are being categorized by TikTok. And if they are being categorized by TikTok, write down the search term. Now, if you're in the 60 to 80% range, your account's in good standing. However, if you're at 50% or below, and some of you will be at 0, the majority or all of your videos have virtually no chance of even hitting the For You page. Now, if you are in good standings, what does TikTok think that your account is about? Now, I went ahead and did this test with you so that you guys had something to gauge on. For reference, 16 out of 24 of my videos are categorized, and my search terms included TikTok tips and tricks, how to make a video on TikTok, and 6 of them were TikTok business. Now, this means my account is in good standings, that 2/3 of my videos have a chance to go viral, and TikTok knows who to show my videos to. This is probably why I went from 0 to 10K followers in only 10 days. Now, the reason that I said you virtually have no chance of going viral is because I did a previous analysis of 200 videos on the For You page, and 88% of the videos had a category, and the other 12% were probably getting categorized by the algorithm on the For You page. So if your account's in good standing and all these metrics are good, go ahead and watch this video. But if you don't have these metrics, let's go on to the next step. Now, the next thing that we have to do is audit your whole profile and your bio. And you really need to ask yourself thoughtfully, does your bio truly align with the content that you're trying to put out? Are you telling people and TikTok exactly what they're getting when they come to your account? Now, the good chunk of you that have a lot of followers and were getting a lot of views but don't anymore probably had a video go viral that had nothing to do with what your account was originally about. And it probably helped you gain between 10,000 and 100,000 followers, but none of them really cared about the content that you're putting out right now. So the real reason that you're not getting views is you essentially lied to TikTok and the TikTok algorithm. Now, think of TikTok as a mutual friend between you and the viewer. Now, for example's sake, let's say that you tell TikTok that you make really good content about your ex because you have a quality piece of content that you posted that went viral. So TikTok shows all the people that are trying to get over their ex that video, and you gain thousands of views and subscribers for it. So now TikTok really looks at you as an authority for content about your ex, and TikTok's gonna be a good friend of yours and show those viewers your content. Now, the next post you make is what your account was actually about. Let's say real estate. Now, when TikTok tests your content with your closest followers, none of them enjoy the content and they become confused. And then they swipe away from your content, and then TikTok becomes confused. And if your followers don't like it, they're gonna assume nobody else likes it either. In fact, TikTok has trust issues with showing your content to other people because they feel betrayed and they don't actually know what your account's about anymore. And that's likely why you're in the spot that you're in right now. So what we need to do is clean up your bio. You need to have one statement that tells TikTok and people that are coming to your account what your account is about. Now, this doesn't mean that you can't cross-post about other things that are in that niche, but you have to gain TikTok's trust in who they're supposed to send you. Now, with that statement that you're creating, you also want to have a broad niche hashtag in mind that you can align with that statement and your content so that TikTok can understand you even further. So, for example, right now I'm working with Lisa Allery Coaching, and she does content about narcissism in relationships. Now, before, she was using words that TikTok doesn't like, and I don't want to say them here. But after some research, we decided that the best term to describe her content that's broad enough to cover other subtopics and had an effective hashtag was self-love. Now, she can talk about many things inside of self-love: narcissism, empathy, relationships, relationship advice, marriage advice, healing, and a lot more. But now, TikTok's gonna know Lisa as the self-love expert. Now, for me, my current name is TikTok for Local Businesses. And my bio says, helping businesses and creators survive the new TikTok algorithm. TikTok knows exactly who to send my way. Now, the next thing that you guys have to do is put out videos that solidify that statement and that hashtag. you need to do your research in your single niche, and you need to come up with 25 more topics and videos that you can post. Once you have the ideas, go ahead, record them. Now, the final thing that you guys need to do is solidify all of your SEO so that it aligns with your statement and your broad niche hashtag. That's thinking about your caption, your captions, your hashtags, and the things you're saying and typing on the screen. Now, you want to make sure that you're thoughtful about mentioning those search terms in all of those places. Now, even though you're going to get some low views to start, the alignment that you just created is going to help TikTok reanalyze your account, and that consistency is going to gain the trust back that you're the expert in your niche. So what I want you to do is post those 25 more videos, and I want you to go ahead and go through this process over again. So after these next 25 posts, I can almost guarantee that TikTok's going to know your account way better. And then after that, it only takes one video to go viral inside of your niche, and that's how you're going to save your account. Now, there's way more beyond this that has to be personalized, and I can't cover it all here. If you're interested in getting a personalized plan from me of what to post, when to post, what hashtags, retention tips, editing tips in your niche, and more, sign up in my description. And you'll get lifetime access to our community and the TikTok Growth Secrets course. Now, go ahead and watch this video because this is the video that YouTube thinks you should watch.